Hi everyone. Right, I'm hoping I keep it in the right space. Look, I've got this bit of trim here. I just want to try something out. So I need to cut a couple of these out. Probably about half a dozen, I think. One of them arm things, and it rocks, unfortunately, because it needs to be, when I knock the table, it rocks the camera, so I need it to be away from the table completely. And I might get hubby to do it so it's hung from the ceiling or something, I don't know. I'll get another tripod and put that. Mind you, I'll still do it if I knock the table, won't it? Right, so let me just see. If I overlap that, it might be just 5 I need. See, I like that, and then I could make that into a frame. I don't need these central things, do I? Do you remember when I made that the other day? I want to make a cushion. Another cushion, because I like me cushions. I'm not sure. I've got my glue gun on anyway. Oh look, got some chocolate as well. I think I found that trim as well. You know, the this one. I think I found it again. I think there were like pearls on it. I'm not sure. I've sent for some. See what it's like. Let me just think. Right, I've got some of this. We do sell this in the shop. It's the 9-inch wide. I just wanted to make like a cushion. And this is actually perfect stuff to do one with. Ain't it? Let me just see. Yeah, I think we can make one out of this. It's the colour. Plus it's also got a pattern to it. Let's just have a look. If we do that there, then we can see whether we've got this straight or not, and we haven't. So, that'll straighten it out a little bit. Yeah, I like this. Right, so what I'm going to do, just let me show you. I like this. I'm going to keep this. Let me work that way, actually. See if my glue is hot enough. I'm going to do it from there. Put plenty on, make sure it sticks. Like that. Fold that back over. Get that to meet that there. Like that. And press that down. That leaves me with that, so I can do something with that. Okay. I'm not that fussed about this side. So again, I'm going to leave. That's just thought of something. I'm gonna have to do it this way. Hang on. Right, I've just thought of something. I need a lip on it, so I'm gonna have to do it. Lift this up. Find where I'm going to be there, so I can see this section. I have to get my glue gun in there. And let me just get this right. like that. I need a lip here so I can work on all the way around. That's it. So I'm only doing it about a centimetre away from the edge. That gives me a lip for me to decorate onto all the way around if I choose that. Okay, now I'm just going to pull that and flatten that down like that. That'll do. And it's just a little cushion, but it gives me a lip all the way around to play around with, which I'm quite content with that. Just need to get this bit in here like that. There, that's fine. I'm going to decorate a little cushion. I'm not sure if I want to. I do actually, I like this. So I might just use that on there. But first of all, like I say, where did I put my appliques? I want to pop these on. I did like what the way they laid. Now, that wasn't a bad guess getting it in place, was it? And I do want to use this, I think. Oops, other way around, silly old. So that is the base for the cushion. I might not yet. I'm actually debating not to do that. Yeah, I do change my mind. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, do you know what will look really pretty with that? Is I do have a little bit of this trim. We will have this for sale. Oh, and it just fits perfect, look. Right, okay. So, I've now got to make sure this fits. Like that. Let's glue that down. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Me likey. Me likey. But now I need a floral. Do you know what? I've got some of this here. This ribbon, which I'm going to chop in half, tie it into a knot. I want another piece, sorry, hope you can see. Taking another one of those and cutting it in half again. That's it. So we've 4 pieces. And what you do is, or what I do, put them all on top. And then you just tie a knot in them. Because you're not gonna, you don't need a bow, you just need the knot because you want them all straggling. I'll trim all them off in a minute. That's fine. So we just pop that in there. I can cut them to the length I need then. In a minute. That doesn't matter. Like that. Now, let me just see. Here, I've got this. I just think that's going to look so pretty, but then that would look even better. But I don't want to use it on that project. It wasn't for that. Oh, God. I can't make my mind up. I actually do like that. I love that, actually. That's really pretty. No, no, it's going to have to be that. This might be up for sale, folks, because... Oh, I do love that. That's gorgeous. Yeah. Let's see how we get on. Not finished. And I have here, because the thing is with me, I build as I go along when I'm playing. So I never know what I'm going to end up like. Or never know what I'm going to end up with. Right, so this is a Nottingham lace, which is in the shop. It's a pink and cream cushion. Now when you get to the corner, even though it's a gathered lace, you still need to gather it. Clue where, but we always have fun, as you know, and we always, if we can, we film our trips. So it'll be something to look forward to, because if nothing else, we have a laugh. Right, so now I've got all of these, and what I'm going to do is, that's it, just pull them together like that. I'll trim all those off in a minute. You can see all the pearl trim, and I do love that. And that's a nice little cushion. I'm still debating. I don't know whether to put that on or put this on. No. Let me just see if I've got another one. I could just put a rose on. No, it's too... Hang on, hang on. Hang on. I've just thought of something else. If I did... Oh, yeah, I like that. Now. Now. Wait. Well, I hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.